Hey guys, welcome to the School of Rockstars. I'm becoming rockstars with the patience, hard work, and the sacrifices in my life because I believe in the patience and I believe in the hard work because I'm the one who manages all my things. So I'm becoming rockstar with these three core values. So I'm becoming from zero to the star. So I already, like in the previous video I showed you, right? I recorded a video showing like a 5 simple steps. So I want to share one quick video on like how I created this thumbnail for my video. So I'll show you. So what I did is I selected one of this picture. So I selected one of this picture and I removed. I don't want this text. And also I removed this thing, and I want the black background so that my text will be easily visible for the audience. So what I did is here I create I searched for teach. So what it will show me is it will show all the pictures, all like illustrations, uh, which are default in the canva.com. There are some of them are free and some of them are like you need to have a pro version to use this. You need to pay a particular user. So what I do is I use free things that Canva provide me. So I selected teach right. I searched for teach right. So what I did is, because I'm just creating this customized thumbnail. So what I do is I really liked one of the thing here. Right, I'll show you exactly what I selected. Yes, so here this one. I selected this background and I dragged it here and I dragged to all the picture size. And what I did, I've selected, I did this text right. So to get this text done, go to click on text. It will show you different formats. You can select any one. What I did is I have selected this, like I have selected, I think this one. Yes, let's see. So anything is okay. Just I'm showing you the format to do or the process what I used. So I don't want this small text. So what I do is I'll click here. It will show me the delete button. So I'll delete the element. So this is one element and this is another element. This is one element and this is another element. So I'm deleting this element, delete element. It will go. And here I'm typing 5 simple tips to 5 simple steps for YouTubers. I'm just typing something, and I changed the color to white. So if you drag this, it will show you here for YouTubers in 2019. And I am clicking the uh, tab, not tab, I think space bar. Yes, I'm clicking space bar to make it in the middle, or you can select this one and you can align it in the middle. It's not, yes, it's in the middle. So, and after that I created this picture. How I created that picture is I searched for think. So I selected this one especially because for this one I can put my picture in it, so that's why I selected it. So here I changed the surroundings yellow, and uploads, go to the uploads, and I have selected my picture here. So just drag it into that. That's it. Here I used red color, so that because it is similar to YouTube, so that's why I selected red. So just I'm showing you here with a different color. That's okay. And how I got this hands. So what I did is I like clicked, I searched for help. So I thought, so what I selected is, I think it's in the pictures or in the illustrations. Yes, in the illustrations. It's not showing me, but wait, it should show up. Hands here, helping hands. Yes, I got it. I bought. Yes, this is the exact one that I used. So I'm dragging here. What I did is, so I made it small. I turned it and I put it here. And for this love symbol, I selected, like I searched for love because sharing is caring. So that's why, or I think, or something I have searched. I didn't remember the exact word that I searched. I think help. Let's see. I don't know what exactly I have searched, or wait. Love. Yes, love, I guess. So wait, it will show us. You can select any of these free version thing. So what I have selected is illustrations, or you can select anything, but I'm not seeing this particular one. So I'm just selecting this love for forever, or this love, just here, and make it small and turn it. I just kept it. And for this YouTube symbol, search for YouTube. I just selected this one and made it small, and I used it here. So I turned it and I made it small. And for amazing, you can search for amazing, then it will show you all the things, or all the pics and all the default ones. For now I'm selecting this to show you as an example. So you can change this color here. I select this one, so that because I'm using a blank background, right? So you can make it red also, because it will be more visible to the, but red is not clear, so I'll select the yellow back. And the other thing is the school of Rockstar, so I'll go here in the text, and I've selected this text and grab it to the down. And I deleted this time the bottom element and I just kept this one, and I added the school of Rockstars and I changed the color to yellow. And for that stars, what I did is stars, and it will show you all these things. And what I did is I love this small black one and I'll put it here and change the color. I put it the second one, right? I just copied it here. It will give us another copy, so I just dragged it over this side. So check, see, it was like similar to this. So you can make your thumbnails very attractive, but just you need to think for the theme of the thumbnail and make it amazing so that you'll get more views and you'll get like you will reach more audience. Your message will reach more audience. Just and what I do, like for next videos I make, I'll keep all these things the same. I just change the text. That's simple. First, if you spend 15 minutes or 20 minutes, then you can save lot of time for your next videos, for your next similar videos. So when I do YouTube tips videos in the future, I'll use this thumbnail, and I won't change any of these things. I'll just change the text here. That's it. So you can save lot of time here. I hope this video helped you, and thank you so much for watching this video. And what is that one lesson you're gonna do, lesson you learn from this video? And if you learn simple steps, implement it right away. Take immediate action. Take immediate momentum. Just start. Don't overthink. And what I believe is you should not be the victim of your life. You are the rock star of your life. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Bye and have a great day.